Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waterlogged blocks in Minecraft. Start by placing the target block where you want water retained, then pour water using a bucket into the same space. Observe whether the block accepts water. Stairs, slabs, and fences often do. Use a sponge or source removal to control nearby flows and prevent unwanted spread. Practice with different blocks to learn which ones accept water and how redstone reacts. Pick the right block for your build purpose because different shapes handle water uniquely. Slabs and stairs let you create subtle water layers without blocking movement, while fences and signs provide stylish trapped water effects. Test each block in a creative world before applying to a build to avoid surprises. Remember that some full blocks won't waterlog, so plan around blocks that maintain sources when needed for farms or decorative pools. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long, comfy gaming sessions. They stay cozy during marathon builds. I find them perfect for staying focused while I craft and test waterlogged designs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice simple techniques to speed up building and prevent lag in larger projects. Place a block, then use a water bucket directly on that block space to waterlog it instantly. Repeat for multiple spots. Remove excess sources with sponges or buckets to shape your water precisely. When combining waterlogging with redstone, test circuits because water can disable or reroute signals unexpectedly. Small experiments save time on big builds and farms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.